Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Max 90. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Max 90 shoes, and this pair is in the men's UK size 9, US 10, Europe 44, Brazil 42, 28 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11.5, and this pair is in the black, Volt, iron grey, white colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping or packing paper. And let's lift up the other side as well to reveal the Nike Air Max 90 in the black, Volt, iron grey, white colourway. And let's lift up the left side first and focusing on it. So just setting the box to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop, and giving you a look at this Nike Air Max 90 in the black, Volt, iron grey, white colourway. And let's do a 360 rotation so we have that initial full and clear look of the shoe before we take much closer in looks at its details. And now taking a much closer in look at the shoe, and we can see the overall black and grey colourway of the shoe, and of course the accents in white and Volt as well. So giving you that real close-up look at the upper of the shoe. You can see there is a nylon mesh vamp around the toe box area, and of course some leather details as well with the eye stay, and of course the grey TPU elements which form part of the eye stay. And with the overlay there is this very luxurious feeling nubuck leather, or at least it feels like it. As you can see, it does have that matte finish and very smooth and lightly rubbery to the feel, like nubuck. And with the mudguard we can see the graining of the black leather. So it does have this very coarse and mottled texture to the mudguard. As you can see, the various textures right across from the vamp, the overlay, as well as the mudguard, and the tonality as well with the gradient of that black and that softer black and matte, and of course that nylon mesh. And then of course there is that grey TPU eye stay section. And with the sole as well, we can see midsole in grey and the outsole or rubber of the sole in black. So let's move towards the back part or middle part of the shoe. And then once again, those high contrast details with the Nike swoosh in a very finely grained leather texture. And we can see in the mudguard window the Air Max branding with that grey TPU element. And of course with the midsole wedge in black we can see that Volt or bright yellow airbag inside of the heel with that Nike Max Air unit, where we can see it right across to the other side of the shoe. So giving you a look right there at that airbag window. And now taking a look directly from the back of the shoe, you can see there is a Nike branded swoosh pull loop for the heel, with those high contrast details in Volt on black, with that Volt or bright yellow bordering, and of course the Nike Air branding on the heel tab, that TPU element right there. And continuing on towards the inner side of the shoe, once again we see those familiar details with that very grainy black leather mudguard, and of course that grey Amex window and the airbag window as well. And back towards the front of the shoe, we see once again those black tones right across the upper, from the top right down to the bottom. And now taking a look from the front tip or toe of the shoe and slowly moving towards the back, so we can see the details along the length of the shoe. So we can see at the top of the eye stay is that section with the TPU in grey. And of course with the tongue we can see the Nike Air Max patch label in a very smooth leather, or at least leather-like material. And taking a look at the back side of the tongue does have some thickness to it, with a medium level of padding or bolstering inside. So taking a look at the lining of the tongue as well as the label behind it. And of course let's pop out the paper stuffing so we can take a better look at the inside details, and of course giving you a look at the aglets or lace tips for the shoelaces. And with the ankle and heel collar, it is light to medium padded and evenly around the ankle and heel collar. And of course taking a look at the materials label or composition sticker that's on the sock liner insole, you can see it's a combination of synthetic materials as well as leather. And we can see right throughout the lining on the inside as well. So giving you a look at the overall details around the inside of this Nike Air Max 90 in the black, Volt, iron grey, white colorway. So you can see the Nike Air branding in Volt on black on the insole or sock liner. Of course giving you another look at the pull loop, that high contrast, eye-catching Volt on black Nike swoosh. And now taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe, we can see the waffle sole in black rubber right throughout, and the Nike branding just in front of the arch. So giving you a close-up look at the details, we can see the chunky tread blocks as well as the flex screws, the Nike branding or script, and to give you some sense of the rubber of the sole, just dragging my finger along it, as well as tapping with my fingernail. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness or pliability. And now just popping the shoe back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe, so setting the left shoe down and in the background as we bring the box back in frame and popping out the right shoe and box back to the side on the left and giving you a look at the right shoe of this Nike Air Max 90, and once again doing a 360 rotation with this side as well, so you have that full and initial look. And of course taking a close-up look at its details. So once again we see the overall black and grey upper in nylon mesh, as well as nubuck and a very coarse or mottled black leather for the mudguard, and contrasted with some bright details with the white Nike swoosh, as well as that bright yellow or Volt Nike coloured Max Air unit or bubble or airbag. And of course there is or are some softer TPU accents in grey for the heel tab, as well as the I Stay sections and the Amex branding in the mudguard window. And of course taking a look at the sole as well, once again in that black rubber design. And of course taking a look at the details at the tongue, so once again that popping Volt or bright yellow on black Nike Air Max square patch on black, as well as the details around the inside of the shoe. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. And the soles or bottoms of the shoes. So that's Nike Air Max 90. Thanks for watching and happy walking!